Welcome, today we're going to show you how to fix too many avatars problem in VRchat. So if you're having this issue, that means that your RAM or your memory on your PC or the device that you are using VRchat on is not enough to hold all these avatars, or you are showing too much avatars in the game. So either way, you need to lower the avatars that you show in the game so this problem don't happen to you, because this may cause a lot of problems, not just this problem in the game. So it may lower your performance, it might give you drops and lower frame rates, and that will be terrible for you to play with. So the first thing that you need to do is to open VRchat settings, and you need to go to avatars option. After that, from here you will have a lot of options to do. The first thing that you need to do is to block poorly optimized avatars. So just switch this to on. Also, you can lower the maximum download size for avatars. Also, you can lower the maximum uncompressed size, and this will help a lot to fix this issue. The next thing that you can do is go to avatar cooling. So from here, you can hide avatars beyond a specific distance. So like if you turned it on, you can hide avatars after 30 meters or 50 meters or something. So that will lower the size of avatars that you can see eye to eye and will optimize the game for you. Also, you can lower the maximum shown avatars so you won't see every avatar on your way. Like you can just see 20 to 30 avatars, and that will optimize the game a lot. These options you don't need to actually turn it off because you will like to play the game because of your friends, so you don't need to turn off seeing your friends or something in the game. Let's go to the graphics settings right now. So you need to click on here, and now we need to try to optimize the game more from the graphics settings if optimizing avatars didn't actually help. So you can actually just lower the quality of things from here. Like the shadows, you can put it to low, level of detail you can put it to low or something, and you can add a limit for frame rates like 60, and other stuff from here. You can just optimize it to help fix this issue. So that will actually fix your issue and optimize your experience so you don't run in this error again. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next videos.